A hurricane kit thrown together in 5 minutes could leave you without water when the power's out for 2 weeks. Here's how to build one that actually gets you through the storm. Step 1. Store 1 gallon of water per person per day for at least 3 days, more if you're not evacuating. Use sealed food-grade containers, not old milk jugs, and stash them somewhere cool and dark. Step 2. Pack a 3-day supply of non-perishable food that needs no cooking. Canned beans, peanut butter, protein bars. Toss in a manual can opener. Without power, your electric one is useless. Step 3. Add a battery or hand-crank NOAA weather radio, a flashlight for every person, and extra batteries. Skip the candles. A dropped one in a dark house becomes its own emergency. Step 4. Seal copies of IDs, insurance papers, and a 7-day supply of prescription medication inside a waterproof bag. Keep the originals with you, not just the copies. Step 5. Round out the kit with a first aid kit, N95 masks for storm debris, and heavy-duty garbage bags for waste and quick tarping. These are the items people forget until they need them. Pro tip: don't bury your kit in the attic or garage. Store it somewhere you can grab in under a minute on your way out the door. Got a kit item everyone forgets? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.